Hi everyone, I'm Elliot Tabush, Product Manager for Boxtop. Today I'm going to show you how to log into Boxtop from your iPhone. So first thing you have to do is install an application on your phone. So first go to the App Store, click on the search in the bottom right corner, and you want to search for VMware, and it'll probably be the first option. It's this VMware Horizon client. So you would click Get or Install here and let the installation complete. Once that is done, you want to open the application, which I have here, called Horizon, and it's going to ask you for the server name. So in here, you would put in, it's your domain at goboxtop.com. So for example, if your email address is elliot@demo.com, you would put in demo.goboxtop.com. So in this scenario, I'm going to put in a test account. And description, you could either leave blank or you could put something in that's just for your own reference. Click connect. And now you're going to put in your Boxtop username and password. It's going to ask you for a two-factor authentication code, which I'm going to press option 1 for. I'm going to approve this authentication using the Force Touch in Apple. It just makes it easier. Hit approve. And then I'm going to click Boxtop. So now it has logged me into my Boxtop session. I could then open programs. I could do anything I would if I was logged in from a computer. This little toolbar in the middle that's floating around, if you click that, you have some options, such as you could bring up a keyboard. You can disconnect using this bottom left one. There's the help icon here that'll show you how to do certain things in the application. There's a setting icon there that you can change certain settings about your connection. Another way to open applications quickly is this toolbar on the left here. If you pull that in, you could quickly open programs and switch between different applications here. So if I want to open an Excel document, I can do it right there, and it'll launch Microsoft Excel, such as that. And that's all. Thank you for listening.